So you might be running into this problem within Spotify, or for some reason you're getting this pop-up that says something went wrong. Now you can see right here there's a little pop-up within Spotify that sometimes just pops up randomly. Now the number one reason and the main reason why something like this can end up happening is usually because your particular internet connection may have just been faulty or may have just went out of the way for a second. So what I'd recommend doing here for the most part is just making your way over to your particular internet connection settings on your particular iPhone, Android, whatever you have. Make your way over here, and what you're going to want to do is just double check your internet connection settings. So just double check that you're not having any problems there. You may want to reconnect to your internet. If you're in airplane mode, you might want to go and just try disconnecting from airplane mode. And those are the main ways to kind of start to troubleshoot this particular problem. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be the issue, another thing you may want to try doing is making sure that your Spotify application has been updated and is not having any random issues. So what you can do here is you can just search up Spotify just like this, and you want to go and search up Spotify, and you want to go and update the application. If it hasn't been updated in a very long amount of time, that is a great way to go and start getting more features and fixing bugs and all those things within your particular phone. So I'd recommend going through and updating your Spotify app if you're using the desktop app, or if that's still not working, you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of these types of websites that'll basically show you what's up and what's down. So you can make your way over to one of these types of websites. Any of them will work, or you can go on Spotify's Twitter page, and you can go and see if Spotify is down or if it's not showing up on here. If Spotify, if it's showing up on here and if it's trending upwards and if it has a big spike like Roblox does, that basically will mean that Spotify has an issue. And what you're going to have to do is just wait it out until Spotify ends up fixing the problems on their side. So that's kind of basically how to fix it up for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.